Well, I suppose when we first got the brief, we sat down and we read the book, the Amoris Laetitia, which is the book that the Pope wrote about families. And in that he spoke about different things, mainly the vine. And we kind of signified the circle with all of that. Because for us, I suppose, part of the creative brief from our perspective was that we wanted people to feel connected to something as a visual. So for us the whole thing about the circle made total sense, and then it turned out then that the World Meeting of Families logo had a huge circle with a cross on it, which signifies the Dublin Diocese. And then I suppose then we connected it back to, from our perspective, from the Clad o' Ring, because we wanted the Irishness of it to be somewhere. So again, that's where that whole thing came from, where the two inner circles, a circle within a circle, which is exactly what it is. So the inner circle is where the altar sanctuary area is going to be, and the outer circle then is going to be where the orchestra and the choirs and the bishops and all will sit during Mass.
The scale of this is phenomenal. It's like nothing I've ever worked on before. The closest thing was in 2012, I was involved in the International Eucharistic Congress. We had a Mass for 67,500 people in Croke Park, but this is just, a completely other scale, and in such an open, very beautiful space, but an open space as well too, so it's something altogether. I remember being here in 1979 and the moments that I've been able to treasure ever since then, so being part of, being able to create hopefully moments for the possibility of 500,000 people, that'll be tremendous. I just hope everything goes beautifully and well. The Pope is arriving around 2:30, and he'll be driving around through all of the chorales at the time, so people will have a chance to see him relatively up close, no matter where they're standing in the chorales. We have a choir of 3,000 people from all over the island. We have a lot of Irish composers, Irish language music in there as well too, so really happy about that. But just hopefully it'll be something beautiful. I've just been so impressed with the good-heartedness of all of the volunteers who are involved. The giving of themselves so generously has been something extraordinary.